Numbers up on the photo.
And now words from the streets with Pokemon. Fashionistas throughout the streets for a fashion festival in Korea. And after that, it's all about cool streetwear for Jason.
Events took place in department stores and boutiques too.